Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to block someone on Starmaker. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Starmaker application. Once you open that, if necessary, log into your account. Here I have already logged into my account. Now, in order to block someone on Starmaker, go to that account. If you want to block someone from your follower, go to your profile by tapping on this me icon from the bottom right corner. From this page again, tap on your profile. Once you land on your profile page, tap on followers just near your profile icon. From your followers list, select any account that you would like to block and go to that account profile. Once you land on your profile page, now tap on the three dot icon from the upper right corner. A dialog box will pop up with bunch of menus. From there, tap on block and a dialog box will pop up with some information that says when you block this account, this user won't be able to view your post and profile. Besides, you will not receive any comments and messages from this user. Once you read that, tap on block and you have successfully blocked that account. So that's how you block someone on Starmaker. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you will get update the next time we upload more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next